My dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum. Today, we will discuss a very important question: should all the wealth we possess be given away in charity? Some people believe that using wealth for the hereafter means donating all that one has. But is this truly what the Quran and Sunnah teach us? Today, we will try to understand this matter in the light of Quranic verses and Islamic teachings. Guidance from the Quran. The Holy Quran provides clear guidance on this issue. Allah Almighty says, Surah Al-Qasas 77. Do not forget your rightful share in this world, nor renounce it. This means that a person should keep wealth for their necessities and work towards improving their worldly life. At the same time, the Quran advises us, do good to others as Allah has been good to you. This kindness is not limited to giving in charity, it also includes using one's wealth for righteous and noble purposes. Misuse of wealth. Allah further commands, do not use wealth to cause corruption and mischief on earth. Corruption encompasses all actions that Allah has forbidden. For example, theft and robbery, these unlawful means of acquiring wealth lead to chaos on earth. Deceit and fraud, depriving someone of their rights through lies or manipulation, is also a form of corruption. Usury and gambling, these forbidden practices not only create disorder on earth, but also amplify social inequalities. Wealth and comfort. Many people assume that wealth is the source of peace and comfort, but the reality is quite the opposite. Without Allah's approval, wealth cannot bring tranquility. For instance, a person may possess immense wealth but lack peace of mind. They rely on medication to sleep and have no appetite despite sitting down to eat. On the other hand, a laborer who earns a lawful livelihood sleeps peacefully after a day's hard work and eats with contentment. This demonstrates that true peace and comfort come only from Allah and are granted to those who earn through lawful means. Turning the worldly into the divine. Islam teaches us not to make worldly life an ultimate goal, but rather a means to an end. While earning wealth, it is essential to differentiate between lawful and unlawful. Allah commands us to pay Zakat. Purify wealth through charity and almsgiving. Show gratitude for the blessings of Allah. By following these principles, our eating, drinking, trading, and even enjoying worldly pleasures can become acts of worship and a source of reward. Our worldly life can align with our faith and lead to Allah's pleasure. Conclusion. Dear viewers, wealth is a blessing, but it is our responsibility to use it correctly. Unlawful earnings can never bring peace or comfort. However, if we earn lawfully and spend in the way of Allah, this wealth can benefit both our worldly life and the hereafter. May Allah grant us the ability to earn through lawful means and spend for righteous purposes. Ameen. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it, and subscribe to our channel for more content.